Namaste and hello everyone. This is Dr. Sameera from Mythri. Almonds are very good for health. We all know this secret, isn't it? That's why we all have been eating almonds. Hope you watched our previous video of health benefits of almonds. If you have missed that video, you can just see the link in the description box below and watch the video. And today in this video we will be discussing why we should not eat almonds with peels. We all know that almonds are good, but usually we soak them and then remove the peel and eat, isn't it? Because eating almonds with peel is not good. Why? Let us find out and discuss in detail. Before going into the details, kindly like this video, share this video with your loved ones, and if you are new to our channel, kindly subscribe and hit the bell icon. So without delaying, let us try to understand the secret behind this. Usually, we advise everyone to eat the fruits, vegetables, nuts and everything with the peel because peel is rich in fiber and rich in nutrients also. But here when it comes to almonds, we say not to eat with the peel, or you need to have some modifications in preparation so that you can eat with the peel. That is because the skin or the peel of the almond contains tannin. Tannin is a substance which will hinder the absorption of the nutrients which are present in the almonds. So, almonds are rich in nutrients, rich in fibers, rich in proteins, vitamins, but if you are eating with the peel, this peel will stop the absorption of these nutrients into your body. So, we need to remove the peel, but we can definitely reduce its effect by either soaking or by roasting. So that's why now you remember, since ancient times our grandparents and our parents have been giving us nuts and seeds after roasting. So they make laddu also after roasting. So they give us to eat for snacks also after roasting. So that is because of this tannin. If we either roast or soak these almonds, the nutrients will become more absorbable and the effect of the tannin also will reduce. So, how much time to soak them? You can soak almonds from 7 to 48 hours also. But the best and easy way is to soak when you are sleeping, just before you sleep. Let them soak overnight. In the morning, you can have them. In the morning when you are having, you can have either with the peel or without peel. That's not a problem because you have already soaked and the effect of tannin is also reduced. So, as it is, almonds are rich in fibers. So, if you eat with peel, it is still more rich in fibers, or if you do not eat with peel also, that's not a problem. And you can also roast almonds and eat. Dry roast them and then you can have them. So now you have understood the health benefits of almonds and you also know how to eat almonds, isn't it? So you can make many wonderful preparations with almonds. We have already posted our videos about almond milk and almond butter, which is very, very yummy. So you can try all these recipes and we will definitely come with some more new recipes which are very healthy and very nutritious. So stay tuned to our channel and kindly subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Thank you.